अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप? आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंग्लिश के इम्पॉर्टेंट idioms which will help you to improve your English. So the first one is a blessing in disguise. It means something good that isn't recognized at first. एक छुपी हुई नियामत. A blessing in disguise. एक छुपी हुई नियामत. Beat around the bush. It means avoid saying what you mean. Beat around the bush. बात को घुमा फिरा कर कहना. Break the ice. To start a conversation in a social setting. Break the ice. To start a conversation in a social setting. तारुफ की झिझक ख़त्म करना. Break the ice to start a conversation. Burn the midnight oil. Work late into the night. रात देर तक काम करना. रात देर तक काम करना. Bite the bullet. It means to face a difficult situation bravely. Bite the bullet. मुश्किल का सामना बहादुरी से करना. Call it a day. It means stop working for the day. Call it a day. आज का काम ख़त्म करना. Cut corners. It means do something poorly to save time or money. सुस्ती या लापरवाही से काम करना. Cut corners. सुस्ती या लापरवाही से काम करना. Cry over spilled milk. Complain about a past loss. जो हो चुका उस पर अफसोस करना. Cry over spilled milk. Every cloud has a silver lining. There is good in every bad situation. हर मुसीबत में कोई बेहतरी होती है. Every cloud has a silver lining. There is good in every bad situation. Give someone the cold shoulder. Ignore someone deliberately. किसी को नज़रअंदाज करना. Give someone the cold shoulder. किसी को नज़रअंदाज करना. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. It means do or say something exactly right. दुरुस्त बात कहना या करना. Hit the nail on the head. दुरुस्त बात कहना. It takes two to tango. Both people involved are responsible. दोनों फरीक जिम्मेदार होते हैं. Jump the gun. It means act before the proper time. जल्दबाजी में काम करना. Jump the gun. जल्दबाजी में काम करना. Kill two birds with one stone. Achieve two things with one action. Kill two birds with one stone. एक तीर से दो शिकार. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret. राज पाश करना. Let the cat out of the bag. राज पाश करना. Miss the boat. Miss an opportunity. Miss the boat. मौका ज़ाया करना. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. कभी कभार. On cloud nine, on cloud nine. Extremely happy, बहुत खुश होना. On cloud nine. Out of the blue, out of the blue. Unexpectedly, अचानक. Out of the blue, अचानक. Piece of cake, piece of cake. Very easy task, निहायत आसान काम. Piece of cake, निहायत आसान काम. Pull someone's leg, joke or tease someone. Pull someone's leg, मजाक करना. See eye to eye, agree complete. See eye to eye, it means agree completely. मुकम्मल इत्तेफाक होना. See eye to eye, मुकम्मल इत्तेफाक होना. Speak of the devil. The person you are talking about appears. जिसका जिक्र उसका आना. Speak of the devil. जिसका जिक्र उसका आना. Take it with a grain of salt. Don't take it too seriously. शक के साथ लेना. Take it with a grain of salt. शक के साथ लेना. Take it with a grain of salt. The ball is in your court. It's your decision now. The ball is in your court. अब फैसला तुम्हारे हाथ में है. The ball is in your court. Through thick and thin, in good times and bad. हर हाल में साथ देना. Through thick and thin. Under the weather, feeling sick. Under the weather, feeling sick. तबीयत खराब होना. Under the weather. When pigs fly, when pigs fly. Something that will never happen, जो कभी नहीं होगा. When pigs fly, जो कभी नहीं होगा. Hit the sack, hit the sack. Go to bed. Hit the sack, go to bed. सोने जाना. Hit the sack, सोने जाना. Back to the driving board. Start again from the beginning. शुरू से दोबारा आगाज करना. Back to the driving board. Start again from the beginning. शुरू से दोबारा आगाज करना. Add fuel to the fire. Add fuel to the fire. Make a bad situation worse. Make a bad situation worse. Add fuel to the fire. Bend over backwards. Bend over backwards. Try very hard to help. हद से ज़्यादा कोशिश करना. Bend over backwards. Cost an arm and a leg. Be very expensive. Cost an arm and a leg. बहुत महंगा होना, बहुत महंगा होना। Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. It means don't judge by appearance. ज़ाहिरी शक्ल से अंदाज़ा न लगाओ, ज़ाहिरी शक्ल से अंदाज़ा न लगाओ। Face the music. Accept the consequences. Face the music. Accept the consequences. नताइज का सामना करना। Face the music. Get out of hand. Get out of hand. Become uncontrollable. काबू से बाहर होना। In hot water and trouble. In hot water, it means in trouble. मुसीबत में होना। Jump on the bandwagon. Join a popular activity. Jump on the bandwagon. Join a popular activity. मकबूल रुझान का हिस्सा बनना। Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. It means die. मर जाना। Kick the bucket. It means मर जाना। Let sleeping dogs lie. Let sleeping dogs lie. Don't bring up or issue. Don't bring up or issue. पुरानी बातों को छेड़ना नहीं। Sleep Let sleeping dogs lie. पुरानी बातों को छेड़ना नहीं। Make a long story short. Summarize. Make a long story short. It means to summarize something. मुख्तसर बात करना। On the fence. Undecided. On the fence. Undecided. फैसला न कर पाना। On the fence. फैसला न कर पाना। Out of the frying pan into the fire. Out of the frying pan into the fire. Go from a bad towards situation. Go from a bad towards situation. एक मुसीबत से निकलकर दूसरी में जाना। Pull yourself together. It means calm down. Pull yourself together. खुद को संभालना। Pull yourself together. It means calm down. Rain on someone's parade. Rain on someone's parade. It means spoil someone's plans. Rain on someone's parade. Spoil someone's plans. किसी की खुशी में खलल डालना। किसी की खुशी में खलल डालना। The tip of the iceberg. A small part of a bigger problem. The tip of the iceberg. A small part of a bigger problem. Throw in the towel. Throw in the towel. It means give up. हार मान लेना। Throw in the towel. Give up. हार मान लेना। Up in the air. up in the air, uncertain or undecided, गैर यकीनी सूरत हाल में होना। up in the air, your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. It means I don't know either. मुझे भी मालूम नहीं। मुझे भी मालूम नहीं।